Hello guys, welcome to Animal Crossing Pocket Camp. I played Animal Crossing before. I played it on the Wii first Animal Crossing game I've ever played, and I played it on the Switch, which I mostly play on Switch. This is my first time playing it on this is my first time in a long time that I've played a different Animal Crossing game that came out before New Horizons. I mean, I played Animal Crossing New City Folk, but that was different. Still, but you know. I think this came out before Horizons. I don't know. Anyways, yeah. Let's get Hey, Isabel. Oh, welcome. You must be the new camp manager I've been waiting for. It's great to meet you. What? No need to be modest. I've heard great things about you. Oh no. Well, I have you all registered and everything, but I'm not quite sure how to pronounce your name. Your nickname is Yes. Please keep in mind that your nickname and appearance will be visible to other players. Okay. Randy. The speed. Do I have enough room? Probably not, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No! Let me try again. How about Randy SS? Yes. Great. Now I'll just need a tiny bit more time to make the place perfect for you and your guests. I don't know why I was saying that, but you know what? Oh, and a bit more information too. Tell me, how would you describe your ideal campsite in one word? Cute. So, I'm not sporty. Cool. Heck no. Cool. What's that? Sporty. Oh, okay, that one looks natural. Okay, cool. I wanna do sporty. No, I don't. I want to do natural or sporty. Let's do sporty. I can't wait to show off the place when it's all ready. Oh, actually, now that I think about it, would you be able to help me out a teensy bit? I'd like to get you all set up with brand new furniture, but I'm a little short on craft materials. I want you to drive your camper over to Breezy Hollow and see if anyone needs help. Trading crafting materials around is kind of how we do things on the country. Wait. Oh, it's just a loading screen. Darn it. No, I wanted to read that. As you travel on okay, cool. You? Look at the animation. Running anyway. This mine. That's mine. Isabel said you might be here to be coming around to visit. Darn, I can't. You know, I'm just gonna read normally. So what's your sport? You like to bike a lift or fighter? I'm all the above. Fruit in the mouth. Also, yes, I like to. Need any help? I maybe haven't lifted together yet. I wouldn't turn down a crisp red apple. I don't want to fall in love with this guy. Why is there hearts? Why is there a love meter? Why? This isn't a dating simulator. I thought we were playing Animal Crossing. You could shake any tree just by tapping. Okay. I know. Wait, we're not supposed to go there, are we? Oh, wow, this really isn't that hard. It'll just be harder. Popcorn. You turn off. Yeah, get an apple smoothie. Next batch. That face though. No! Wait, hold on. Sorry, I was going to take a screenshot of that. It was going to be the thumbnail. Popcorn. Oh, faithful. Oh yeah, it's sporty. Roger chose normal campsite. Oh well, I like this count. Randy, yes, sis, welcome back. It's been worth the wait. Everything is almost ready for you to start camping. Looks good. Oh, glad you like it. You know, all this lovely furniture from Cyrus and Reese. Oh, okay, they're on campers. They get married in Animal Crossing New Horizons. Nice to meet you. You've already got your hands on some crafting materials. I'll show you what we can do with them. Let's do it right now. Take a look at this crafting catalog and see if anything strikes your fancy. Oh my gosh, yes. That. That's literally the only thing to buy. Oops. Crash it. Beautiful, finished. Ooh. They're breaking the fourth wall. Sorry if the mic quality is not as good. For some reason the mic quality has been bad recently, I don't know why. I didn't read any of that. Okay. Place. That's beautiful. Come on, I know some people who will love the way you got things set up. Contacts. Oh yeah, you want my contacts. Invite me. Why, buddy? Because I want to go to your island. Seed. It's gross. I hate seeds. They're disgusting. Most vile thing on earth. Just kidding. Animal. I want to get new clothing. He likes the place. Little sports room. And the campsite is awesome. He's sleeping. Cool. That's cool. Thanks again for inviting me over. You can now come visit my campsite anytime. New guests invited. It's so fun getting everyone together like this, don't you think? I love this place. You're off to a good start. You make a first-class camp manager. Can't wait to see how things are going when you're hosting all kinds of visitors. Sounds great. Oh, I almost forgot. I have one more surprise for you. It's a small camp warming gift. That's cool. Kind of a starter pack for the grand outdoors. Yes, it's a video game. First of all, there's so much stuff to do around here. I hope that part helps you experience it all. I don't know why I just gave her a voice all of a sudden. I have no clue what she just said because I accidentally threw it. New animals have been added to your You can now make one or more new items for them in your group. Grab your camera and fire up your camper and tour the recreation spots. Data download. Time to update your data. Wi-Fi recommended. Let's do it. Oh. Okay guys, let's wait for this to happen. Oh guys, I just realized this is a mini game. You can bounce. Stumbling is taking a while. Okay, let's download this baby. Hoo-hoo! I get free dollars for this. These kind of look like these look exactly like Speed Star coins. I have to redesign them. I'm thinking of redesigning Speed Star coins instead of having stars. They have lightning bolts in them instead of stars. Because then they look like bells from Animal Crossing. To make the thumbnail for this later. It'll probably be the next day by the time this is uploaded, but I just felt like recording video on an Animal Crossing game. I like Animal Crossing. Now remember that Sonic Mania Let's Play part 1 and part 2. I'm never making part 3. Because I don't know where the stand is, and also it's kind of crappy when I do it like that. Okay, wait, one more percentage. Come on, we can do this. Come on, you got this. You got this. You got this. You got this. Come on. Do it. 99%. Come on. Yeah. Woo. Cool. I got 4,530 bells. Okay, I think the video's probably long enough. I think we should end the video soon. Like when I'm done like roaming around and stuff. I love my shirt. perfect year for these fortune cookies to make their return. Fortune cookie restock. I have no clue what that is. You order and eat a fortune cookie, you'll find an oh! Oh! I want that. I want the Isabel scooter. Different types of fortune cookies offer different items. The fortune cookies shop in the marketplace stocks a large variety of fortune cookies. You'll find different types of fortune cookies in stock at different times, so be sure to stop back often. But you can order some fortune cookies using bells, but others must be ordered using leaf tickets. Okay, cool. Yo, Randy Assist. This is when the night begins. Tell me a story. You, Randy Assist. Just in pocket money for you. Don't spend it all in one clip. You didn't tell me a story. I don't want to fall in love with you. Oh. Hold on, is that my camp? Can I do I have like a house or anything? Please tell me I have like a house or something. Something to sleep at. I want to sleep. Can I go in my camper? Do I live in there? Please tell me I live in here. Oh, this is cool. Rotate cookie to deposit. Cool, wait, can I edit the inside of my camper? Pocket Camp Club, Animal Crossing. What's Pocket Camp Club? It's a paid monthly subscription service for Animal Crossing Pocket Camp. Feature and fashion plan. Get fortune cookies every month to save your favorite layouts. This plan is good for players who want to collect lots of unique items. Selection includes nearly all fortune cookies released since the game's launch. I don't even remember. Oh, this is an actual subscription service. You can store 5,000 different furniture items and clothing items in warehouse. You can move stored items if you leave the plan. Save your favorite layouts and your campsite and cabin. Apply them whenever you want, blah blah blah. More room to your trespass. Cool. I don't want this. The new AR camera and the AR camera and What? You can do that? Okay, cool. Map. My home. Okay, sit down. This is dumb. I can't sit. Oh, I can't sit. Okay, I'm trying to make the thumbnail. Okay, take shot. Wait, look at the camera. No. Hold on. Wait, AR. Okay, my room may be messy, so I don't want to try the AR. I'm gonna do it alone. We are the crystals. You know what? No Animal Crossing. No, okay, we're gonna stand still. Like, no, I don't want to ride. This is gonna be the camera. Why can't I move you, buddy? Take shot. Save. Okay, saved it to my gallery. Save fave photo. Save to album. Okay, and okay, guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here. Oh, what's this? Okay, cool. Wait, what? Oh wait, no, not buying it. Okay. Goals. I know we haven't completed many goals, but this is kind of the video's getting too long, and we just got everything ready. So yeah, Speedstar, blast that like button, and if you're not subscribed, slice that subscribe button with the Speedstar sword. And Randy the Speedstar is out.